In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss for your penny stocks on Robinhood. This is a really useful feature, especially if you want to protect your investments and limit potential losses. Something that every trader should keep in mind, no matter your experience level. To get started, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to robinhood.com. Make sure you're logging in with the correct account information so you'll have access to your portfolio. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to view all of the stocks you currently own on Robinhood's main dashboard. For this demonstration, let's focus on one of your penny stocks, the low price stock you want to protect with a stop loss. Simply click on the name or symbol of the penny stock in your list of holdings. This will take you to its main page, where you can see information like its most recent price, performance chart, and your position details. Now, look for the Trade button, usually located at the top right or toward the center of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a couple of options. Since you're looking to sell if the price drops below your chosen threshold, select Sell. This will open up a new sell order window. At this point, Robinhood will give you different ways to place your order. Right next to the area where you enter the number of shares you want to sell, you should see an option labeled Order Type. Click on Order Type to open a list of the order types available. These include market, limit, stop loss, and a few others. For our purpose, select Stop Loss. Choosing this option means you're instructing Robinhood to automatically trigger a sale if the price of your penny stock drops to or below a certain level. Next, you'll need to specify your stop price. This is a very important step, so take a moment to decide what level of loss you're comfortable with. Enter the price at which you want Robinhood to sell your shares if the market price falls that low. You can always check the current price and recent price movements for context. But ultimately, set a stop price that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Once you've typed in your stop price, you'll be prompted to review the details of your order. Double check everything. Make sure the stock, the order type, and the stop price are all correct. If all the details look good, click Review Order. Finally, to complete the process, click Sell. That's it. You've just set up a stop loss for your penny stock on Robinhood. This simple process can help automate your trading strategy and give you peace of mind by limiting potential losses. So it's definitely a tool worth using when navigating the sometimes volatile world of penny stocks. Thanks for watching and happy trading.